In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your LinkedIn headline and about section using ChatGPT. We're going to walk through a simple process that helps you make your profile clearer, stronger, and more appealing to the right people. This is especially useful if you want to attract recruiters, clients, collaborators, or anyone in your industry who may come across your profile. Start by opening your LinkedIn profile and locating your current headline and about section. Before you change anything, copy both of these and save them somewhere safe. This gives you a backup of your original version, and it also makes it easier to compare your old wording with the improved version later. Having that reference is helpful because sometimes small changes can make a big difference in how professional and focused your profile sounds. Next, open ChatGPT and give it the right context. Describe your job, your main skills, your goals, and the audience you want to reach on LinkedIn. The better your description, the better the suggestions will be. Try to be specific about what you do, the kinds of problems you solve, and how you want to be perceived professionally. Once ChatGPT has that information, ask it to create stronger LinkedIn headline options for you. A strong headline should do more than just list your job title. It should clearly communicate your value and help people quickly understand what you bring to the table. Review the options carefully and choose the one that most clearly explains your value in a way that feels natural and aligned with your professional identity. After that, ask ChatGPT to improve your about section. This part of your profile gives you more room to tell your story, explain your experience, and highlight what makes you different. As you refine it, make sure to include keywords related to your role and industry. These keywords are important because they can help your profile appear in searches and make it easier for the right people to find you. Finally, update your LinkedIn profile with your new headline and about section, then review how everything looks together. Read it from the perspective of someone visiting your profile for the first time. Make sure it sounds clear, confident, and consistent. If needed, make a few final edits so the wording feels authentic to you. With just a few thoughtful updates, you can turn your LinkedIn profile into a much stronger professional introduction.